English articles a and an and the. Use 14. Or really here, I'm going to tell you when not to use these articles. We don't use any articles, no articles, when generalizing about uncountable and plural countable nouns, when we generalize. Determination is a great trait to have. Determination is uncountable, no article before it, and it's a generalization. Water is a scarce resource in many countries. We can't count water. It's uncountable, and we are generalizing, so no articles. I'm not talking about the water from Afghanistan or the water from Pakistan. I'm talking about in general. Water is a scarce resource in some countries. Oranges are good for you. This is a generalization. We're not talking about any specific oranges. Put your comments down here. I'm here to help if you have any problems. If you want to help me, click like, and then subscribe and click that bell to get the dopest videos.